Hi guys! Today is May 19. Andito kami sa probinsya. Hindi kami nakapag-upload ng vlog kasi walang internet dito. I'm not sure if we're going to bring the laptop kasi pupunta kami ng Josefina ngayon. And after Josefina, maghalo-halo kami sa Mahayag. Siguro kung hindi namin ma-upload yung vlogs, i-upload na namin pagdating namin sa Cagayan kasi pag nagbabiyahe kami, cut off yung yung biyahe namin para hindi matagal. Kasi pag babiyahe kami straight papuntang Davao, mga 16 hours yung biyahe namin, ibuntis ako. So, kailangan hinahinay lang. Ngayon, I'm preparing my husband's clothes. Tas, yung sa akin kasi kumakain siya doon. Umuna na akong kumain sa kanya kasi natutulog pa siya kanina. And magbihis ako ng mabilis kasi yung papa ko alert yan palagi. So, I'll see you in Josefina. So, dito kami ngayon sa Mons Grill. Ito yung store na masarap yung halo-halo nila dito sa Mahayag. Yan. Look handsome, my love. Victor. And then, si Mama sa CR kasi I think si Janjan sumakit yung tiyante. I'm eating one of my favorite Filipino desserts called cochinta. Take a picture of this and Instagram it. Yay! Hello, hello! Cochinta. Maha. I love. You like it? Rate 1 to 10.
20.
20. Sarap ng halo-halo na dito. Napaka-pino ng ice, tsaka pag-mix mo to, napaka-creamy. Welcome to Mahayag.
O ba'y sugod na nila unta? Gidayo-dayo na sila.
Lungsod ba ning konti, no?
Mahayag.
Mahayag.
Walang may sindro.
Mura po Bonifacio.
More jud. Bukid.
Abibo ko na eh. Abibo ko na eh. Mingaw ang pasyon.
Mingaw jud.
Dako po niya sa Bonifacio, no?
Bonifacio ko.
Municipality Hall of Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur.
Mainig po mo nanig. Panahon ulay klase.
Wow, video. Video si Mami.
Bukid na kayo.
Video ka lang video. Si Mami.
Look like Irish in here.
Sa Eden Park.
Bili Eden Park.
Pari na daan eh. Saan Eden Park?
Ito sa Cagayan.
It looks like Eden Park.
Walay.
It's saan sa Sinclair.
Ito mga pare.
Sinclair Monastery.
Hindi ko na makulang. Kamay lalabulag si Mama. Nilad sila sa no. Hindi sa kasada. Please jugdalan sa High Ridge.
Entrance.
Sila yung gano'n ko. All kids of vehicles based.
Zakate. Yay! Andito na kami.
Ay, nakaanli. Namagay ko dire.
Dito lang din.
Katong naman ni adventure dire. Ay, abagyan mo.
So this is the surroundings here in Josefina. Daming trees, daming halaman. Very nice.
Where's the rice going? Right there, why does your teacher have rice on his head?
Huh?
Why does he have rice on his head?
Look at this, Jesus!
Why?
Jesus!
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's donation.
Yeah,
Donation.
that's our donation, oh. Rice.
Jesus.
Morning. Peace and quiet.
Yes, very nice for meditation. My dear, this is where the monja stay.
What's a monga?
Ano monga?
Monks?
Like, yeah, it's like monks.
Wow, I like it here. It's so nice.
Yeah,
Ah.
very peaceful.
Do you want to become a monk?
I'm married, my love.
Yeah, pwede.
No, my love. Hunchback.
Oh, sorry. Are you filming?
Yep.
Ay, caramba.
Shh, shh. Quiet. There's a church. Wow. Nature is so beautiful. Sinclair.
This is what I'm talking about. my
What
dear.
is this
what I
here?
like. This is my favorite place so far.
Ooh.
Do you want to live here, my dear?
We can't live here, my dear. You see the entrance? Do not enter.
I'll be a monk, you'll be a nun. How about that?
You're weird. I'm happy being a wife.
Yeah, you're a wife to a monk.
No. If you want to be a monk, you should be a monk, not a husband.
Why can't a husband be a monk?
No, because you have to dedicate your life to to be a full monk. Oh look, nice floor. Yeah. There's no dogs allowed. ACR? Ma? Oh, yeah. We're going to offer a donation offer baby. Hi lang. Jesus. Babe. Mana siya? Duha-duha?
Pwede pa, hindi kayo go. Duha kami mo. Ay, suwap.
Blank paper. Okay. Ay, kanang kunin mo mga ipangadji. Okay. Nice.
It's so nice. Yeah.
Dear, you write something that you want to pray. Drop station here. Okay, nice surroundings. Ano to dito? Okay. Lalubat na ako.
Diri ang entrance sa tiyo.
Magusum ta diya?
Tanan.
Dala.
You are on holy ground. Gate close. Na may mumu siguro din.
Uy. Si Jesus mo to.
Nature. So what's your feedback, my love?
So according to Fema, she wants me to give feedback, and my feedback is that this is a real church. No sermon, no speaking, no public prayer, just silence. Silence, praying by yourself, peaceful and quiet, maybe a little bit of talking. But I realized today that it doesn't have to be a Buddhist temple, or it doesn't have to be just complete silence. But look, it's very nice here, and when you come here, you feel peaceful.
Yeah. Malawi na kami, guys.
Magpagupit na.
Malawi, Zamboanga del Sur.
Is there a place to buy paper?
Ikaw kaligi paano ipagupit
Pencil?
Paper. The thing here,
Not today.
wait,
If it's too much of a
over
burden.
there.
Gupit mo ka dito ni
Wala
Tagalog.
nang bumili ni Chris ng drawing book kasi mag-practice na siya ng drawing
Again?
again. May binili siyang e-book na ay kasi lang pang kanang sa pang papa-haircut si Chris. Si Jake ayun na. Sila dalawa ng earrings. So, hi! Dito na kami sa bahay.
That was so nice.
Chris bought a anong tawag ito, Maria?
Huh?
What is it called?
It's a radio that you could play music with the SD card.
SD card.
Or USB.
It's
we're
only how much?
Tell them the music we listen to at night when I massage.
We're always listening to meditation music. Pag natutulog na kami. So yeah. Bahay na kami. I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye.